Okay, so um, we've been able to go to we've been able to what we did was, again, let's just go through it. What we did
Let
is
me
to,
see what you did.
okay, you remember we just click
So
on fork the project.
go
Once you
click
hit,
on start.
yes, then
Like
copy.
select on for.
Okay, so and
Then
you
we
go
copy
to
the URL.
your terminal, uh, then type,
Git clone.
yes, and put the
Then
URL
paste in the
in the terminal to clone it. So wherever you cloned it, we just open our uh,
my
IDE, which is
file.
Android Studio, and use file. Then we go to open, and then select that folder which we cloned earlier. Then we can open things up here. So what we just need to do now is to add the link here. So first, we have been able to open our project here. So what we just need to do is to add the link here. First, if you type, we are trying to open open our terminal now. So you see that these are terminals already in the project. So we just type git remote to see that we have a remote there. So now we have a remote, which this remote is going to this remote link or remote repository should be the remote repository of your own version of the forked version that you have. Okay, so we add another remote to the original version, which is my own version here. So we add it. Just go to the page, to the GitHub uh, page of my own, which I pasted in the Telegram. So just go there and copy it. Okay, and inside the terminal here, type git remote add upstream. So it's upstream that we use to save. It's just a name that we use to save the original version which we cloned from. So you can switch between your version and the original version. So if there's an update with the original version, which is my own version, if I put something to my original version and you have not implemented in your own version, but you want to quickly pull it to make your own version up to date, you can use the upstream origin like this. So just add it by adding git remote add upstream, and then press enter, and that will add it. So to see if it is added, you can see, check by remote git remote and add a v minus v this way. So you see, yes, we have one here, origin, which is your own version of the repository, and then we have another one, upstream, which is your own version of the which is my own version of the repository. So anytime you want to make your own changes, you can create a branch on git. You can call it a git branch. So you put, okay, git checkout, and you put b option like this. Minus b is for b option. Then you had you can give it any name you want, something to separate it's like creating a separate branch of the repository, so that whatever you are doing will not affect the main branch. At the moment we are on the main branch, but you can branch out of that main branch to create your own branch, which you can keep working on. And if there's any changes, you can revert back to the main branch. So this will help you to also manage between two branches. You can say, first, we have created two remote repositories. We have added two remote repositories. Now we are creating a separate branch as well. So just type git checkout, then minus b, which is for b option, and then we can now that is to tell it to create a new branch. That is what the minus b is for. So we can call it, say, new branch. You can call it something else, but of course I'm just creating the new branch. So to check if the branch is created or which branch you are currently in, you can type git branch, So to list all the possible branch, you can see it's showing the main branch and the new branch, which is what you just created, and it is highlighting the new branch to tell us that we are currently on the new branch which you just created. And to move to the main branch, you can type git checkout, git checkout, and type main. That will help you to move to the main branch. Okay, so you can see it's switched to the main branch. So if you type git branch again, you see that it has switched to the main branch. So to start working on the new branch instead of the main branch, so we can go to git checkout new branch. So the main branch will be preserved, will remain where it is, nothing changed. Okay, while anything you do on the new branch, you can do anything you want to do while still preserving the original code in the main branch. So if you are not satisfied with the changes, of course you can merge the new branch with the main branch. But at the moment, uh, I believe that with this little knowledge, you'll be able to at least manage your branches and keep yourself updated with any changes we make in the repository. Okay, sir. So
Yes.
that will be all. So I will send you. I will just